Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare the most savory bone marrow ever. Or as I like to call it, skeleton butter. Let's get boned up. Well,
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's get to it. First up, let's whip out those bones. Big old bones. Gonna get all these bone jokes out of my system. I'm really gonna try not to make any jokes today. Although that might be a bit hard. It's stronger than me! Enough shenanigans. Let's season our bones. Lightly salt your bone marrow. A little bit of fresh. That's it, that's all you need to do. I highly recommend getting a butcher to cut open the bone for you. That way you can save yourself the realization of how devastating a handsaw can be. Now we're gonna put these in a 450-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Moving on. Bones are in the oven, let's make our dressing. Shout out to Dalstrong for the new knife. And board. The Shogun Series X is made from Japanese super steel, but what is it like using it? Here's what it sounds like to cut parsley with a regular knife. Now here's what it sounds like to cut parsley with Shogun Series X. Chop up your parsley. That's a sharp knife. They also hooked me up with this cutting board. It's made from sustainably sourced teak. Thanks, Dalstrong. So about a quarter cup of chopped parsley. Shallot. Whoop. Yeah, that worked out. I'm gonna do 1 shallot. I'm gonna soak these shallots in a bit of cold water to remove their sting. I'll be watching you. About like a dozen leaves of tarragon chopped up. We're gonna rough chop about a tablespoon of capers. About a teaspoon of lemon juice. Gonna microplane about 1 clove of garlic in here. Ooh, yeah. I want garlic you all over. About 2 tablespoons of canola oil, half a teaspoon of salt, pinch of sumac. Sumac you right in the mouth. Pinch of gochugaru. Ooh, little bit of frush. Now we mix it all together. Done. Dressing complete. Gonna cut some bread. Oh yeah. Bread makes you fat. A little bit of olive oil on our bread. Rub it in there. We're gonna toast these up in the oven and then we'll be ready. Bone marrow complete. Toast complete. Well, I mean, it's toast. It's not super exciting, I guess. Cut to slow-mo for this next part. And now we eat. Take that marrow, you put it on toast. Oh yeah. Skeleton butter. It's amazing. It's so easy to make. Look at that. Oh boy. It's a big piece. Oh yeah. It's so good. It's so rich. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I don't care. Bon appetit. Bye, friends.